Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Sorry, I'm making a mess. But today I'm gonna do some embellishments on this piece. I love it. It turned out so beautiful. The colors are so vibrant, but I'm excited to put some resin on there and make it even pop even more. And then I'm gonna add a little mirrored glass, some glitters, and kind of a little bit of this and that, and just to kind of bling it out. So I have my resin mixed up. I am using KS resin. It's equal parts hardener to resin. If you're needing some, I do have a link in the description, and it's with a 10% off coupon if you use Amy's I don't know, I think it's AmysCreativeAcrylics. But it's a 10% off coupon or discount if you use the link and then that discount code. But it'll be in the description. So I'm just going to put down some resin here. Just look at that color underneath there already. Just the difference. Just the difference between what's under the resin to what's not. Like, just look at that. Oh, I love it. I just love the effects that resin does to a piece. Like, it's just beautiful. So I'm just moving this around here with my hands just to kind of get it all spread out evenly here. And then I like to go around the edges because I like to just try to keep that as smooth as possible so it doesn't have any, like, you know, when sometimes when you have your paint run off, you kind of have those runs, which is okay when you do acrylic painting. But when I do it with resin, I don't want to have that. I want it to be really smooth. Okay, so I have, let's see, some mirrored glass here. This is just some mirrored glass that I get from Michael's. It's in the glass fillers section.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you.
Alright, I think I'm happy with this. I don't want to do too much. I just wanted a little something extra because I don't want to do too much because these colors are beautiful and I don't want to cover up too much of it. Gosh, that green, that's Deco Art's metallic emerald is gorgeous, and the amethyst, the Deco Art metallic amethyst, just beautiful. All right, so let me see. I'm gonna scrape underneath here. You want to always make sure that you put tape, you have it taped underneath. I mean, you can always fix it if you happen to not do that, but it's a lot of work to sand it all down and do all that. So I try to make sure that I do put tape under there, especially when I resin. Sometimes I definitely don't do it when I'm painting, but that's just because I forget until it's too late. But you want to try to remember when you resin, because it's a lot of work to get it off. And if you have tape there, and even if the resin gets hard, you can use your heat gun and just pull the tape off. But if you don't have it tape, then you have to sand it down and then use rubbing alcohol to clean it up. And yeah, it's a kind of a mess. So let me bring you down here for a close-up. All right, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up, and I do apologize for the light up above off the ceiling there. But just look at those colors, how much they pop from before I put the resin on. Just beautiful. All right, so bring it down here closer. That beautiful amethyst. Look at all that sparkle. And that emerald. And those cells are amazing. Love it. It just made a beautiful painting even more beautiful. It just gives it that little extra pop. Like, it just makes those colors just literally come alive. I love it. But so this is just an example of how easy you can embellish something. Resin to me is everything. Like, it just makes so many pieces even better. I use varnish on some, and it does make them beautiful too. Can help protect it and everything, but resin, it's just a whole nother level. It's a little bit more expensive than varnish, but just look at that. Wow. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. You have to let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You will like and subscribe and share and comment. All that fun jazz. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.